Hello everyone, how are you all? Okay, today Auntie show you a new sound. Which sound is this? Do you know? It's a W sound. Which sound is this? W. W. The letter is W and the sound is W. Make your lips like this round. W, 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 W. The letter is W and the sound is W. Make a sound like this. W. Now Auntie show you the objects. Look at here. W, W, water. W, W, wood. W, W, wood. Now look at here. What is this? W, W, wheel. W, W, wheel. W, W, watch. W, W, watch. Now what Auntie is doing? It's a tissue. It's dry. Okay? Now look. Now it's wet. Wet. Now we do more practice on board. W. The sound is W. W for watermelon. Window. White shoes. White shoes. Wall clock. Wall clock. Where. Where. Now Auntie tell you how to write W sound. Look at here. Start from the dot. Go slide down, slide up, slide down, slide up, stop. Again. Start from the dot. Slide down, slide up, slide down, slide up. Again. Look at here. W sound. Start from the dot. Slide down, slide up, slide down, slide up. Which sound is this? W. Which sound is this? W. Today we learn new sound W. Do practice at your home. Okay? Then Auntie will give you this star. This star is for you. Bye.